PPP forgiveness. We're going to be talking about PayPal. We're also going to be talking about forgiveness. Is the PPP opening back up? As always, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. If you guys are new to the channel, of course, make sure you guys like and subscribe. I know there's a lot of you guys who've been sending me screenshots. A lot of you guys have been asking me tons and tons of questions regarding this PPP loan. So, of course, I'm going to try my best to actually help each and everybody. Now, if you guys got questions, feel free to follow me on Instagram. I'm actually going to be following everybody back. You can DM me an article, DM me a link, or a question. I will try my best to actually answer everybody's questions, as always. Now, we talked about these loans and whatnot earlier in the year, right? And now it does like it's circulating in the background. People are asking me tons and tons of questions. People got questions, which I don't mind answering, right? I really don't mind answering any questions. So when it comes down to this, I will keep everybody updated as well. Like I said, I don't mind answering you guys' questions, whether it is PPP loan related or taxes. Once again, I'm just going to try my best to help every single body. So yeah, let's get right to this. But before we do, I do want to let you guys know I am doing a giveaway at the end of the month. So you guys want to stay tuned for that giveaway. And I'm going to be trying to release as much information as possible these last few days because I know tons and tons of people who need this help. So yeah, let's get right to this. Help PayPal never submitted my PPP forgiveness from 6/20/20. Wow, we're talking a year ago. But like I said, this it shows what actually is going on. Now they want a new signed application with different terms, and they are withdrawing money from my bank account, double what was agreed to in my signed contract. And they are holding me hostage and won't process forgiveness unless I sign. This is probably what the email was. Any help would be so appreciated. Quick summary: 5/10/2020, 5,650 round 1, PPP approved, signed terms and contract. If not forgiven, 1% interest, 24-month loan, deferment 6 months, 18 payments of $267 after deferment. 6/25/2020. Apply for forgiveness. Husband's business applied 1 hour prior and was immediately granted approval and sent to SBA and quickly forgiven. 100% of PPP money was used for W-2 payroll. 6/25/2020. Received a message having a technical issue. Please try again later. 6/26/2020. Received confirmation that forgiveness was being processed. 7/1/2020. Received an email that PayPal was having issues with their forgiveness website. 7/29/2020. PayPal had me submit a second application for forgiveness and said they had everything they needed to forgive the loan. I never thought about it again. 10/1/2021, $603.57 withdrawn from my checking account. Okay, so now it looks like they're getting their money back. Let's see. 10/26/2021, I called PayPal loan builder and was told that my PPP was never forgiven because I needed to submit a new application with new terms after my signed contract with PayPal, or they will not process my forgiveness. Wow. Okay. Again, my husband applied for forgiveness at the exact same time as I did and did not have to sign a new contract to be forgiven. So keep that in mind as well. And this goes to show, like I said before, everybody is different. The new terms basically say that my payment will be divided by 8 payments now rather than 18, so my payment more than doubled from $250 per month to $600 per month on a loan that should be forgiven. And the new application says if borrower fails to apply for PPP forgiveness within 10 months of the earlier of 24 weeks after the date of disbursement of the loan funds December 31st, 2020, then PPP loan payments are no longer deferred and borrowers will begin making loan payments to their PPP lender. Now this one, it does seem like this is kind of a tough one because in reality it's like where was the assumption that it was forgiven, you know? You always want to double check, you know, so even if you think 110% that you got your loan forgiven, double check emails because they will see emails. Even check the portals afterwards. You know, this person said they just kind of forgot about it and they applied for forgiveness and forgot about it, you know, and that's why it always pays to double check. Trust me, just double check your work, you know, just like school. Go back in and double check. Go back in and figure out exactly what is really going on, because you don't want to have to pay like this person did a year and some change later. Now you're paying and the amount double, you know. So it looks like they got tons and tons of questions, but it's like, let me just read one of the questions they had. How in the world is this legal? They are forcing me to sign a new application 18 months after I was funded and apply for forgiveness with different terms, or they will not submit my loan for forgiveness. I have not re-signed anything yet. I am waiting for a call back from a PayPal supervisor. Yeah, good luck with that, because in reality, I don't know the terms and conditions. So I want to wish you the best of luck, but I do know, you know, the government, they do not play, and you guys will know that. If you owe a loan, if you were back on child support, taxes, whatever the case may be, the government, they're going to find a way to get their money. And as I always say in my videos, they have your banking information. They have how many kids you have, your social, your kids' socials, your addresses, how many cars you have. They have all that information. So you can try to run from them, but you really can't go anywhere. And it is sad because we're already going through a lot in this world, and it does look like they doubled the payment. So even if the forgiveness was $250 plus $260, they're taking out $600. You know, that is, you know, that's insane. You know, let's just call it what it is. That's insane. But that's why it pays to read your terms and conditions. As I always say, you guys need to be checking up on them and confirming, was my loan forgiven? Was my loan paid off? What exactly is going on? You never want to get a loan and just forget about it, because that's when they are in the upper hand, right? You wait 6 months, you wait a year, and they're looking at it like, well, you had a year, you didn't contact us within 8 months, 6 months, a year, you didn't contact